there's gonna be no more jokes.
No, I know. That's
why I was like, I missed out all the jokes. My hand's not in it. Isn't it random how you just have blue tack? Oh, it's not your Louis in your bag. Actually, can we go through your bag?
Okay.
Oh,
I don't know what you're gonna find.
A wallet. Oh, this is real, by the way. It's not fake. Just to let everybody know. No money's in it though.
No. The wallet's worth a fortune. There's nothing inside it. I'm poor.
Hold on a minute. A girl can't have enough lippy.
I think
So
there's three in there.
Yeah. Whoa! That actually flew. Oh yeah, what was hitting on it?
Yoink.
Whoa. Look at it. It's staying there now.
It got stuck in the air conditioning vent.
Hopefully when we're 40 we look better than what we look like when we're 20.
I look better now than I did when I was 20. I think I'm aging in reverse.
You're aging in reverse.
I'm getting better with age. Like a fine wine.
I need to start writing down Jessica's quotes. I am like a fine wine, or maybe like a vintage cheese.
Vintage cheese. I get better with age.
It's made out
Also
of
like an onion. You peel me back all the way. Oh, what is it? Peel back all the way?
made out of cheese.
No, we need to do a compilation of your sayings.
No, mine. I've got so many. What is it? Not around my watch. Oh shit of an eye. Oh.
Oh, look out.
Hope you don't kiss your mother with that mouth.
Alright.
Oh my god, I thought you were on the wrong side of the road just then.
What?
Because it was 2 lanes. I'm like, what the fuck? I'll give you an example. When I was growing up, I'll never forget that my brothers called me charcoal chicken. That's funny.
Okay, we're at the shop. We're going to Sephora to buy Arnie some new makeup. What are you looking for today?
I'm looking for some foundation. What else? Primer.
Primer and mascara.
Yep. Yes.
So Arnie brought her expert friend, aka me. Yay! Oh my god, I haven't been to the shop in so
ages.
long. Alright, so come and join us on our shopping spree. Yay! So we just finished up in Mecca and Sephora. We couldn't film in store, but the experience was totally different than what I'm used to because of COVID. So they tested our temperatures at the front of the door, and obviously we had to hand sanitize, and the testing process was really strange. There's no testers on the shelves. It was the weirdest makeup buying experience of my life, but we handled it. We're just going to get something to eat because we're all hungry, and we need some coffee because we all know how I love a good coffee.
I think I'm gonna have a beer.
A beer?
Yeah.
Oh, such a grub.
Now, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Typical Arnie, always chasing a beer. So yeah, let's go.
Oh.
This guy.
I'm ready.
Oh, she's got her wine box, guys.
No, it's beer box.
Oh, sorry.
Too hot for clothes. Too hot. Too hot.
I just spat all over my face. Let's do it, guys!
Yeah, it helps you dry. Oh, there's a pole there.
Shut up. Did you just flash your tits, Amy?
It might have been the 4th time this recording.
Okay, so we just got back from shopping where we went to Sephora and Mecca and we got some lunch. It was a lovely day, wasn't it? Today, I thought we would show you what we bought from Sephora, and then I'm going to do a little makeup look on Arnie using her new product. So Annika has quite oily skin. So while we were at Sephora, we decided to get her a new True Matte Primer. This one's by Fenty. I recommended the Fenty foundation to Annie, which we did also buy for her today. And the reason I suggested Fenty is because it's a really nice matte finish, and on most people it doesn't need to be set down too much with a powder. We bought Arnie the real OG beauty blender because, again, if you've watched my channel for a while, you know the real deal is the best thing. And to finish up, we bought Arnie the Tarte Cosmetics Light Camera Lashes Mascara, and I've never used this before, so I'm keen to give it a go. Okay, so I have wet Arnie's beauty blender. When you buy your beauty blender, it comes with this little case, and this cool little trick that I accidentally discovered is while it's wet, pop it on the top like this and it will dry out in the air, and as it dries up it will shrivel and fall straight back into its little box. This one actually says wet me. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, make sure you're always using a wet beauty blender, guys, because the dry one will just soak up product, defeats the purpose.
I need Botox again. Well, apparently they say you should grace. What is it? No, grow old gracefully.
You should grey.
Should grow old gracefully.
Can you not drink beer on my channel?
Give me a minute.
I can't with you.
Remember that time we were in the toilet and we didn't know that somebody else was in the toilet?
Remember that time I said quietly, I like a man in uniform?
No, I didn't hear you. He heard you. Oh, he was good looking. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Got nothing. I got hair everywhere else, but not my face.
I'm the opposite.
Yeah, you're the opposite. Literally, you're the most biggest eyebrows. Here's me, eh? Gotta get them tattooed on. And then the rest.
We are they.
It takes 5 hours and 6 women to give me a bikini wax.
5 hours and 6
women.
That's like a dream for you.
Depends who they were. If I could pick the 6 women, yeah. Nah. Can you do that? Go. Can you do opera? Opera. I'm a savage. Do it.
I'm a savage.
That was brilliant. Honestly.
That's brilliant.
Brilliant.
Honestly.
Oh.
Oh wait, shall I? I'm a savage.
No, do it high.
I'm a savage.
Classy, bougie, ratchet. It was good. That was good.
Classy, moody,
Yeah, that was good.
stupid.
What's happening? What's happening?
Carol back.
Get right.
Okay, so we have finished Arnie's makeup. She's looking
So good.
Close your eyes. So, I just did something fun on her today.
I like the is it pink or purple?
It's like a burgundy kind of color, I suppose.
Beautiful.
Yeah. More than anything, just wanted to try that foundation out. I think it's great for Arnie's skin. I definitely highly recommend Fenty if you've never tried it before. I love the Fenty foundation. It is one of my faves. Fenty for the win. Okay, now I earlier received a special package in the mail and I thought we might do a little unboxing on my channel. So I've never done an unboxing here before, but I just thought I would let you guys see what that's all about. This is so exciting. I feel like it's Christmas. Oh, it is from Monday Hair Care. So Monday did send me a message saying that they had seen my YouTube video, which was super exciting, and that they would like to have sent me a gift. So this is what I have received. Ah, look at this. So I have received the 800ml size volume shampoo and conditioner, which is super exciting because I have been using these products and I genuinely love them. But there is this beautiful little handwritten note in here, which I just think is a really nice touch from Monday. As you know, if you've watched my review on my channel, I love everything that the brand stands for, and this really just ticks the final box for me. That's like a cherry on top. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate this so much. I'm a huge fan of the brand and can't wait to keep using and recommending Monday Hair Care. So thank you. So much love to you guys.
So cool. Does that mean I get to have your little bottle? Yes. Oh, I love you. You were the best. Oh.
This guy, I got one gift and she's like, I'm taking your old stuff that you paid for.
Yes.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our come shopping with us and
bye everybody.
Little makeup do. And of course the unboxing from Monday. Thank you so much again, Monday Hair Care. So come back next week. I've got another exciting video planned and can't wait to share with you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with what I'm doing. And I will see you next week. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.